Okay, students, our next question is 50th question in our material. If the straight lines xy minus x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, ax plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 are concurrent, then a is equal to. Actually, this problem you can do. Actually, these three are concurrent means they may be like this. Okay, so that means if you find the point of intersection of this pair of straight lines, after that substitute that one in the third equation, that gives the a value. Otherwise, no need to simplify the point of intersection also. Without finding point of intersection, if you factorize, if it is possible to factorize directly, you can go for factorize and you get the values x comma y. That x comma y is nothing but satisfies this line equation. See here. So without, you can do using this formula. You can do using this formula. Okay, you get 1 comma 1 only. Here I got 1 comma 1 answer. So same formula you will get. So here xy minus x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. If you take from these two terms xy minus y, take take this from these two terms x common y minus 1. If you take minus common, it also y minus 1. So x into y minus 1 minus 1 into y minus 1 is equal to 0. So again y minus 1 common, we have y minus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 1 or y is equal to 1. So therefore what can you say? X comma y is nothing but 1 comma 1. So this 1 comma 1 is lies on this line because concurrent lines, because all these three lines passing through same point. So since given lines are concurrent, ax plus 2y minus 3 passes through 1 comma 1. So a into 1 plus 2 into 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. So that means a minus 1 is equal to 0, a is equal to 1. If you want to use the formula h of minus bc by ab minus h square, gh minus af by ab minus h square. So for x comma y. Okay, this is also h means here 1 by 2. F means here minus 1 by 2. Minus bz. B means 0. A means 0. AB 0 because ax square plus by square. A and b are zeros. So 0 minus h means how much? 1 by 2 whole square. Here gh. G means here also 1 by 2. H means 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. And a means 0, so total 0 by. So same 0 minus 1 by 2 whole square. So how it will get? Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. That is minus 1 by 4. It is also minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. Sorry here. See here. This is h of minus bz by ab minus h square, gh minus af by ab minus h square if you use the formula. So 1 by 2 into h means here hxy, here ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. So a and b are zeros, h is equal to 1 by 2, g is equal to minus 1 by 2, f is equal to minus 1 by 2, c is equal to 1, but c no need to use. So 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2. So b means 0 by 0 minus b, ab is 0 minus 1 by 2 whole square, comma. G means minus 1 by 2, h means 1 by 2, a means 0, anything is 0 by, ab means 0, h means 1 by 2 whole square. So this is minus 1 by 4. This is also minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4 by minus 1 by 4, 1. So this is minus 1 by 4. This is also minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4 by minus 1 by 4, 1. 1 comma 1. So same you get this. So use this formula or factorize. You get the same answer. Next one. Square of the distance from origin to the point of intersection of the line 6x square minus 5xy minus 6y square plus x plus 5y minus 1 is equal to 0. That means point of intersection of these lines and distance from point of intersection of this line to origin. For that one you need a square. Okay, so first you find out the point of intersection of the given lines. So formula use h of minus bc by ab minus h square, gh minus af by ab minus h square. Here a is equal to 6, h is equal to minus 5 by 2, b is equal to minus 6, g is equal to 1 by 2, f is equal to 5 by 2, and c is equal to minus 1. Substitute here. So h means minus 5 by 2, f means 5 by 2, b means minus 6, g means 1 by 2 by 6 into minus 6 minus minus 5 by 2 whole square. G means 1 by 2, h means minus 5 by 2, minus a means 6, f means 5 by 2 by 6 into minus 6 minus 5 by 2 whole square. Simplify. Minus 25 5 by, here 6, 2, 6, 3 times going. So minus into minus plus 3 by minus 36 minus 25 by 4. So minus 5 by 4 minus 30 by 2 by minus 36 minus 25 by 4. So 4 3s are 12 minus 25 plus 12 means 13 by 4. This is minus 36, 4 36 are 144, 144 minus 25 169 by 4. So this is 4 LCM, 2 3s are 6, 60 minus 65 by 4. This is same 169 by 4, minus 169 by 4. So totally here we have 4 4 get cancelled, 13 169 13 times going, so 1 by 13. So here 13 5 times going, here 13 times going, so 5 by 13. So this is the point of intersection of the given pair of straight lines. Now the distance from origin to square of the distance from origin to 1 by 13 comma 5 by 13 is nothing but x1 minus x1 x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, or from origin root over x square plus y square one formula. So 1 by 13 minus 0 whole square plus 5 by 13 minus 0 whole square. Square means whole square. So square root get cancelled. We have 1 by 69 plus 25 by 169. So simplify 1 by 69 LCM, 1 plus 25 26. So 13 here 2 times going, here 13 times going. That is the distance between origin to the point of intersection of the given lines. Next 18th one. Area of the triangle formed by the lines 2x minus y is equal to 6 and 3x square minus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0 is area of the triangle formed by the lines. So it is we compare this one with ax lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. It is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Okay, what you get? So a is equal to 3, h is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 1. So L is equal to 2, M is equal to minus 1, N is equal to minus 6. 6 transpose this side, minus 6. Now area formula, it is a homogeneous equation. So directly use N square only. N square into root over H square minus AB by modulus of AM square minus 2HLM plus BL square. So this is N means minus 6 whole square into root over H means minus 2 whole square minus A means 3, B means 1 by root over by modulus of 3 into M means minus 1 whole square minus actually 2h directly you can use minus 4 into L means minus 1, sorry, M means minus 1, L means 2 plus BL square, B means 1, L means 2 square. So this simplification 36, it is 1 only, 4 minus 3 by this is 3, this is minus 8, this is plus 4. So 3 plus 4, 7 minus 8, that is nothing but modulus of minus 1. So 36 by mod 1 is nothing but 36. This is the answer for that question. So next one. Next theorem is very very important theorem. This is for IPE also very very important. Okay. See here, the equation of the pair of angular bisectors between the pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is h times of x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy. For ax square plus 2hxy non-homogeneous equation, by square plus 2gx plus 2f plus c is equal to 0 also I give the formula. So but this is only the important for IPE. So 7 marks they will ask the question. So equation of pair of angular bisectors between the pair of straight lines, this pair of straight lines. Actually it is passing through origin, so that means it will be like this. Okay, we have the angular bisectors like this. So these are the angular bisectors. Not this one. Like this. Okay, this is one angular bisector, this is another angular bisector. Okay, so that product of actually your pair means we have to write with the product. Okay, so for this problem also we can use straight lines only. Let us the lines be L1x plus M1y is equal to 0, L2x plus M2y is equal to 0. The pair of straight lines of these two. This one is these two lines. So this one is nothing but ax square plus 2hxy plus by square we can write as product of these two lines, L1x plus M1y, L2x plus M2y. So very clearly we know, so L1 L2 is equal to L1 M1 M2 is equal to B, and L1 M2 plus L2 M1 is equal to H. So equation of angular bisectors of L1x plus M1y is equal to 0, L2x plus M2y is equal to 0. Angular bisectors. Equations of angular bisectors of A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0, A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0, or A1x plus B1y plus C1 by root over A1 square plus B1 square is equal to plus or minus A2x plus B2y plus C2 by root over A2 square plus B2 square. Just remember, same formula will apply here. Instead of A1 B1 they given L1 M1, but there is no constants. So here L2 M2 are there. So formula is L1x plus M1y by root over L1 square plus M1 square is equal to plus or minus L2x plus M2y by root over L2 square plus M2 square. Now here we want pair of lines, pair of angular bisectors. Means we need, here we get the two lines. Okay, here you get two lines. So these are nothing but two lines. So pair of lines means product of these two lines gives our required equations. Okay. So first equation is L1x plus M1y by root over L1 square plus M1 square. If you transpose this side, for plus you get minus, for minus you get plus. So one equation with plus, another equation with minus you write, that is our product, is equal to 0. So L1x plus M1y by root over L1 square plus M1 square minus L2x plus M2y by root over L2 square plus M2 square into L1x plus M1y by L1 square plus M1 square plus, with this minus transpose this side, plus you get L2x plus M2y by root over L2 square plus M2 square is equal to 0. Now it is A minus B, it is A plus B. A minus B into A plus B is nothing but A square minus B square. Directly L1x plus M1y by root over L1 square plus M1 square whole square minus L2x plus M2y by root over L2 square plus M2 square whole square is equal to 0. So it is the formula A square by B square. So L1x plus M1y whole square by square root cancel, L1 square plus M1 square minus L2x plus M2y whole square by L2 square plus M2 square. So just cross multiplication, take LCM and this denominator transpose to right side, that gives 0 only. So that is L1x plus M1y whole square into L2 square plus M2 square minus L2x plus M2y whole square into L1 square plus M1 square. So this just simplify. So this is A plus B whole square formula. Here also A plus B whole square formula apply. So L1 square x square plus M1 square y square plus 2L1 M1 xy into right L2 square plus M2 square and L2 square x square plus M2 square y square plus 2L2 M2 xy into L1 square plus M1 square. Just apply A plus B whole square for these two. Okay, now here you can understand this is the this one with this multiplication gives x square term. Similarly, this one with this multiplication gives x square term. If you take that x square common, here L1 square into L2 square plus M2 square minus L2 square into L1 square plus M1 square. Similarly for y square, so M1 square into L2 square plus M2 square, here M2 square into L1 square plus M1 square. That y square if we take common, we have M1 square into L2 square plus M2 square minus M2 square of L1 square plus M1 square, this one. Remaining we have xy term. So here 2xy you can take common from these two terms. If you take 2xy common, here L1 M1 into L2 square plus M2 square, here L2 M2 into L1 square plus M1 square. So that one only you have written. So minus 2xy into L1 square plus M1 square into L2 M2. This minus here minus L2 square plus M2 square into L1 M1. Just simplification. Here this gives L1 square L2 square. Here minus L2 square L1 square. So both are same, cancel. Otherwise that gives L1 L2 whole square is nothing but A square. Here also A square. But no need to write. Directly you can cancel. And leftover terms will be L1 square M2 square and minus L2 square M1 square. And similarly here also M1 square L2 square M2 square L1 square. Sorry, M1 square L2 square and M2 yes M1 square L2 square. Here M2 square L1 square will be there, but M1 square M2 square, here also minus M2 square M1 square get cancelled. So M1 M2 whole square M2 M1 whole square cancel. So we have M1 square L2 square minus M2 square L1 square, that is only here. And here you can expand total. So L1 square L2 M2 plus M1 square L2 M2 minus L2 square L1 M1 minus into plus minus M2 square L1 M1. Just you have written here. So if you take simplify this one, so we have this is A square minus B square formula. So L1 square M2 square minus L2 square M1 square. So A square minus B square, A plus B into A minus B, L1 M2 plus L2 M1 into L1 M2 minus L2 M1. Here also A minus B whole square, M1 L2 plus M2 L1 into M1 L2 minus M2 L1. So this one only. is equal to xy into here from these two terms if you take L1 L2, if you take L1 L2 from these two terms, so we here one more L1 M2, here one more L2 M1. Okay, L1 L2 if you take common, L1 M2 minus L2 M1, minus if you take minus common, minus which common, minus M1 M2 if you take common, minus M1 M2 if you take common, here we have M1 L2, here we have M2 L1. So that with minus common means this becomes to plus, this becomes to minus. So that means, so after M1 M2 common we have L1 M2 minus L2 M1. From all these two terms we have L1 M2 minus L2 M1, here L1 M2 minus L2 M1, this is one side, this is another side, this is L1 M2 minus L2 M1. So this L1 M2 minus L2 M1 take common from this right side, but to take common L1 M2 minus L2 M1 in left side, it is in reverse. It is in the form of A minus B, it will be in the form of B minus A. So that means if you take minus common from these two terms, we have L1 M2 minus L2 M1. So after taking minus common, what you have, it becomes to plus y square becomes to minus y square. So totally, if you take L1 M2 minus L2 M1 common from these two terms, it becomes to x square of L1 M2 plus L2 M1 minus y square of M1 L2 plus M2 L1. Okay, so here L1 M2 minus L2 M1, here L1 M2 minus L2 M1 cancel after taking common. Okay, so here x square into this L1 M2 plus L2 M1 is nothing but 2h. This L1 M2 plus L2 M1 also 2h. Here between minus is there because we have taken minus common to equate same. So here 2xy into, this is L1 L2 minus M1 M2. L1 L2 is A, M1 M2 is B. So totally we have x square minus y square of this 2 cancel, because if you take 2 common from these two terms, so after taking 2 common, this 2 cancel. So x square minus y square of h is equal to xy into A minus B. In other words, we can write as h into x square minus y square is equal to A minus B into xy. So this is the very important theorem. So some applications are there, I will explain in next video.